YouTube was good. I'll show y'all something this 4th of July. Hold up. Let me. Hey, celebration. Alright. Smash that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. I didn't even say it right. Subscribe. All that good shit. So today is 4th of July, definitely. And I just wanted to hit y'all off. Camera's right there. Look at it. Wanted to hit y'all off with like a cool vlog. I can't even get none of my words down packed. So hook y'all with like a cool vlog, and just want to keep it real with y'all. So we just gonna jump straight into it. Is there such thing as a master tech? Me just being in and out of shitload of shops. I literally been around the block. It may be a bad thing to y'all, but I'm glad I've been around the block, because I got to done things that you won't never do because I've been around the block. So I work with all types of let me talk louder because I got my AC unit in the window. I'm from the hood. We ghetto. Listen, I've been around all types of mechanics, all types of different skill levels and stuff like that. I've been around people I thought that I couldn't be close to compare-wise, skills, skill set wise, and people I knew for a fact that they're not on my level as well, whatever. But you're supposed to be being humble. Don't ever compare yourself as a mechanic, because just don't compare yourself. It makes yourself look bad. And let me see if I can focus on this. But yeah, reason why I think there's no such thing as like a master tech is because I feel like everybody is not going to, they're not going to know it all. How could you possibly know it all? You're not an encyclopedia. You're not a dictionary. You're not Google. You're not the world's largest search engine. You don't provide all of the information. I bet there's something that I know that you don't know, but that plays vice versa. So a lot of guys could be ASE certified master tech. You can be master tech within a dealership, like a Chevy. You went to Chevy training schools and all of that, or you went to Nissan certified, or Chrysler, or whatever. I don't know where you work at or whatever, but within a company or whatever you did, you took a test that put on paper your name, such and such, and under it says master technician. Now, I took my ASCs. I think I took like 3 of them, and I didn't care about the rest of them. I said I will go back one day and get the rest of them, just so I can have it on paper that it says that I'm a master tech, just for GP or whatever. Excuse me. But as I got older, and then just the amount of work I did, just literally the amount of work I did, I just felt like I'm at that point like, fuck that shit, I ain't gonna go get that. I really don't give a fuck about it. And unless I have like a business so my customers can see like that, but I ain't about to waste my money and shit. Cause like I really do this shit for a living. Like I'm a bookworm, cool, but I ain't about to waste no bread gonna go take that test, like real shit. Cause like that shit not gonna make me more money. Like that shit just gonna make me look good. But if you don't know what you're doing, you could look stupid. There's a lot of guys out there who got all these certificates and always let people know I'm this. Yeah, I'm master tech that. Or I got this. I'm an expert in that. I specialize. I do this. I do that. Swear they know everything. But they always come to that one job or a few jobs and they just keep their nose out of, or they just, then that's when they quiet the most. And everybody who thinks they know it all always will get a car to show their ass up. Like real shit, that car gonna come in, that car gonna fucking embarrass you and shit. Like it get like that. Everybody have a bad week, everybody had good weeks. It's your job to get through it. I'm so used to a lot of fucking bad weeks, I ain't got no choice but to pull out of it. So that's where I come from with things and shit. I just feel like, no matter what test you take, no matter how many jobs you did, I feel like, everybody knows something that the next person don't know, and it'll always be vice versa. And I'm not saying everybody know it all, and the people who don't know it all, some people ain't capable of knowing it all or knowing something. So it depends on how it pans out and shit. So there's such thing as a master tech. No, I don't. No, it can't be. It can't be. No. How can you know it all? Like, how could you know it all? Literally, you don't know it all. And like I'm humble. I tell people I'm humble, and the reason why I tell people I'm humble, cause like I keep to myself or whatever. I don't want to put myself in comparison. I ain't. A lot of niggas like being competitive when it comes to cars, and a lot of mechanics where they like being competitive. Who better? What? Who got the most tools? Blah blah blah. Whatever. Like, all I know is when I come in the shop, I'm gonna be a problem in there, cause y'all got work. I'm snatching that shit. That's all I got the fuck to say. But listen, I know what I need to do. I'm independent. I know what I need to do to get the job done. I always get the job goddamn done. You didn't hear me crying for help. I'm fucking crying nobody for help. If anybody walk over and ask me questions, I got an attitude. I don't like to be bothered with when I'm working. I'm like the dude off of Rain Man, or something about Mary, when Ben Stiller went to go take Cameron Diaz's brother's glasses, earphones off. She said, don't do that or whatever. And what had happened, he got his ass whipped out. He took the joint off. Don't come fuck with me while I'm working, because literally I fucking spaz out on you and shit. Like, I literally snap. You nasty niggas in the shop, because I get rowdy with motherfuckers and shit. That's just me, my attitude, my demeanor. Am I cocky? Yes, I think I'm cocky. Am I arrogant? Yeah, I think I'm arrogant. I got every fucking right to be, just because of the shit I fucking been through. I really think I'm nice at what I do. I ain't no master tech. I never tell people I'm a fucking master tech. I can make master techs look bad. I know plenty of people who say they fucking master techs, but I've done more work than they ever could fucking do. And they couldn't ever fucking fathom that shit either. That's probably the biggest word I ever fucking give you, real shit. But, man, niggas ain't on no fucking level and shit. So, you that dude, you out there, you in the shop thinking you better than everybody, chill the fuck out. Because when you fuck up, niggas in the shop gonna wait. When you in the shop acting like you head honcho, you top notch, all that, yada yada, rah rah shit, niggas gonna wait for you, something for a card, wait for you to fuck up. They gonna wait for you to get that job. And then when that job shows your ass up, they gonna fucking embarrass you. And they ain't gonna drop that shit. That shit won't be fucking dropped. They always gonna, yo, remember such and such car you fucked up and da 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 da. Everybody gonna clown you, be mad at you and shit. Like, it ain't fun getting laughed at in the shop after you fuck something up. I'm just saying. So, or you might think, yeah, I could do this, I could do that, I'm a master tech, blah blah blah, but you take the longest time to get something done. Now, I ain't fast. I mean, I could be fast. Yeah, I think I'm fast, but I'm not a fast worker, only because, like, I might got to take my time to go back to make sure the shit is right, so that way I don't have a comeback. I don't give too much about fucking speeding. I work at my own pace. I start a flow, and I execute and shit. And that's all I got to say. So, like, that's all I got to say. If you in the shop, running your mouth, zip it, chill. We don't do none of that. Be the fuck quiet. Be humble. And shut the fuck up. And that's all I got to say. Leekautorepair. Make sure y'all holler at the subscribe button. And leave a comment. And let me know what you think about, well, lens right here, I keep looking over there. Let me know what you think about cocky motherfuckers in the shop like me. Nah. Master tech motherfuckers in the shop. People bragging, boasting. Just, how do you handle it? Me, I just wait for them to fuck up too. And I'll laugh at their ass when they fuck up. So, that's all I got to say. So, I'll holler at y'all in the comments and shit.